Did you know that the energy or vibration of your interior introduces you before you or anyone enters the room? So how do you want to feel or have your guests feel in your space? Hi, I'm Kat with Ta-Da by Kat, Living by Design, award-winning, triple color certified author, speaker, educator, a mother, a glamma, and fur baby mama. And I have been honored to help builders, homeowners, realtors, entrepreneurs, and other creative geniuses while being featured on House, HGTV, and more. And I'm ready to help you come up with a strategic plan that begins with determining a color palette, a design style, space planning, personalization, budget, and the application of what I call Ta-Da magical transformations. Every space, every style, every budget, whether a refresh, redesign, on-site or virtual, new construction, renovations, or just a decorator by your side, we've got you covered. Call today for a complimentary discovery call so you can be on the road from ordinary to extraordinary and living by design. Be prepared to be Ta-Da. You'll be glad you did.